Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can make over $1,000 every single day scalp trading Solana meme coins. And I'm going to show you guys step by step using my strategy how you can literally get over 50% on every single trade you do, and 9 out of the 10 times these trades actually do succeed. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this using some support and resistance and chart patterns on Solana meme coins. It's going to be really easy. I've already made a couple of tutorials on this basically topic. However, today I'm going to show you guys in depth on how you can actually scalp trade these coins basically for just really small gains, for example 40 or 50% on your basically your trade, so you take 40 or 50% profits in just a couple of hours. It's really easy. So basically, if you want to basically do that, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do that in this video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Like this video. And also, before we get started, it's extremely important that you use the Telegram trading bot in order to buy and sell these Solana meme coins, because of course we are going to scalp trade coins, meaning we are simply going to trade these coins extremely quickly between these ranges. And basically for that reason you will need to be able to enter and exit extremely quickly, and I would recommend using a Telegram trading board for that, such as Trojan. It's the first link in the description below. Make sure you use it. It's much faster than Radium and Jupiter. Literally your transactions will be succeeded in just a couple of seconds, so you basically just need to use this, otherwise you have a gigantic disadvantage to the rest. So basically, that being said, let's just immediately get into the video. So what you can right now just do, first of all, of course, we need to identify an actual chart we can scalp trade. Now to do that, simply go to dexscreener.com and then Solana, click on the last 24 hours, just like this, and then make sure filter on volume. And now you're just going to look at the coins with the highest volume, because of course we want to only scalp trade coins with high volume. I would also recommend that the liquidity for these coins is already set to at least like 100k. So you don't want to scalp trade any coins with a liquidity less than 100k, and preferably at least $1 million in market cap as well. So what you're just simply going to do is look for one. For example, right now the biggest one with the most volume is this coin called Rocky. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can scalp trade and identify support and resistance and chart patterns on the chart of Rocky. But of course, maybe in a couple of days Rocky is dead and you will need to do it on a different coin, but it's completely the same of course. So first of all, we are going to identify support and resistance levels. Now to do that, it's really easy. I would recommend using the rectangle box. It's the best way in order to basically draw support and resistance levels. And all you're going to do is just simply look for places where the price has either bounced or resisted from. So for example, we can clearly see this is a really good level. Then we have this level right here. Then we have this level right here. And then let's say we have this level, and I also think this also counts as a support and resistance level. So this is just literally within 10 seconds I identified all of these support and resistance levels. Now how did I do that? Well, it's really easy. The reason I drew this support level is simply because the price basically supported from this level right here. I mean these two candles clearly acted as support right here, also here, and also this is just the beginning of the chart, so at some point the price has to bounce. And yeah, this is basically our last support level we have in case the price really does come down that much, which we don't expect of course, but just in case this is a clear support level. Then we have another one. This one is a bit bigger than this one, simply because we have support right here, but also right here. So you can either draw two support lines, but what you can also just do is make one gigantic box from it, and that way you will always get the best entry possible. Now we also got a support level right here. I mean clearly the price bounced right here and also a couple of times right here. So this is a clear support level. And then we have a resistance slash support level right here. I mean we clearly supported here, and we are right now resisting from that level. So yeah, that's a clear support and resistance level. Then we have one right here. I mean we clearly resisted and supported right here, so it's a clear support and resistance level. And then the last one, basically in case we do need to break all-time high, then this is the last area of resistance of course. Now that you've basically identified all of your support and resistance levels, we can just already start scalp trading. It's that freaking easy. What you can simply do is take your long position projection basically, And what you're going to simply do is check where the price is currently trading. I mean, the price is currently trading into this area of resistance. We are also here in a gigantic downtrend. So clearly I wouldn't be surprised if the price simply goes down again. I mean, it could either be that we're making a higher high, and that means if that will happen, the price will bounce and we will have that trade wrong. But it could also simply be that we are making another lower high, and the price simply goes down much further from here. So what you can simply do is wait for either the price to bounce from off this level and then enter into a trade. So clearly we cannot short basically Solana meme coins. That's just not possible. So we can only, of course, long or basically buy these coins. So what you could simply do is basically wait till the price simply basically gets rejected. Then you can simply wait till the price comes here for a potential double bottom. And if you don't know, a double bottom is a clear bullish pattern basically. So if that would happen, that will be an extremely easy trade. And if that trade will play out, you will make over 44% on your trade with a risk to reward ratio of 4, which is really, really decent. So that's just the way you're going to do it. It's really, really easy. Now this chart of course already has a lot of price action and a lot of price history. So clearly what you could have just simply done is drew these support and resistance levels when the price, for example, is trading right here. Literally all you had to do is wait till the price enters right here into your level of support. You simply take that long position and voila, the price goes up, voila, the price goes up, and basically you take your profit right here for a 40% pump to the upside. It's that easy. Now you might wonder, well, I would have probably also taken this trade right here. Yeah, that's true. I mean, the price was clearly bouncing right here. It was trading into support. So clearly you would have also taken this trade right here. I mean, that would make a lot of sense, of course. So what you could simply do is enter into the trade with a little stop loss, and then you take profit here at the top side. Meaning if the trade is wrong, you only lose 10%. If the trade is right, you make 25%. And yes, you would have lost this trade then. But I mean, of course you're sometimes going to lose a trade, but that's nothing to worry about, because most of the time the price does indeed bounce from off these levels. For example, right here, you would have then entered into a trade and you made 40% on your money, recouping that 10% plus making an extra 30%. So if I would have to trade this chart right here, literally all I will simply do is wait for the price to simply reach into this level of support again. I will take a trade hoping it creates a double bottom. Now if it doesn't, I will simply exit that trade, of course, at a slight loss, and then I will simply wait till the price enters into this gigantic level of support. All I simply had to do is wait till the price gets there. Then I simply enter with my take profit here at the next level of resistance. Stop losses under this, and that's a perfect trade again. I mean, you're making 70% and you're only losing 25%, which is a risk to reward ratio of almost 3, which is extremely good, of course. So yeah, it's just a really, really easy way in order to make some extra cash. I mean, it is going to take a lot of time to basically get good at this. Plus, you do need to have set alerts for basically when the price reaches into this level. So yeah, it clearly is going to take a lot of time if you want to use this strategy. But if you're just simply trying to trade Solana meme coins and you have 8 hours a day, basically, maybe you're on a summer break or something and you have 8 hours in your day left and you just want to make some extra cash, you can definitely use this. All you simply need to do is just monitor like 3 or 4 charts at the same time, wait till one hits your support level, enter into the trade, set a stop loss or a take profit using Trojan bot. You can do that using the limit orders feature. Basically, you can just say, now let's say you want to set a stop loss. All you can simply do is limit order sell my position when it reaches this, or limit order sell my position when it reaches this, and you have a take profit or stop loss. It's that easy. That's why you need to use Trojan bot. First link in the description below. But yeah, basically that is all I am doing right now in order to make some extra cash trading, because let's be real, it's extremely hard to make actual money just from trying to be early into some Solana meme coins. It's much better to just simply trade these coins, which already have gigantic volume, already have a high market cap and liquidity, meaning they will not work, they will not die out, your money will just not be lost in a few minutes. So yeah, it's just a really easy way in order to just profit off the success of gigantic coins, even though you did not get in at the start. So yeah, that's basically what I would recommend doing. Of course, nothing is financial advice. It could still go completely wrong if you're not good at trading and you have not you've never traded in your life before, this is just the first time, you of course are going to lose a lot of money, but at some point you will start to turn profitable. And yeah, that's basically all I'm doing right now. So if you want more detailed explanation about basically my strategy or maybe my older strategies I'm using, then I will definitely recommend subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Also make sure to check out Trojan Bot, first link in the description below. And that's basically all I'm doing right now. So yeah, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you guys in my next crypto meme coin review.